I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened your sheet and chosen a target range. Start now. Click and drag to highlight the cells you want to change, or use Shift+Click for contiguous blocks and Control+Click for scattered cells. Once selected, look to the toolbar's paint bucket icon. This controls background fill. Click it and a color panel appears. Choose a preset to apply instantly. You're doing this to improve readability and visual grouping, so pick a color that contrasts with text, and move on once the selection updates. Now refine the look. Click the paint bucket and either pick a preset or choose custom to enter a hex code or RGB values. This ensures brand-consistent color. If you need colors to change automatically, use Format Conditional Formatting and set rules based on values. That's dynamic versus static fill. For repeated patterns, use Format Alternating Colors to band rows quickly. Once you've applied a color, use the Paint Format tool to copy that background to other ranges without repeating steps. Finish by clicking outside the range to confirm your changes. Press ESC if you're still in selection mode. Make sure text remains legible. Adjust font color as needed using the Text Color tool. To remove backgrounds, use Format Clear Formatting or reapply white as the fill. If a color refuses to change, check for sheet protections, locked ranges, or existing conditional formatting rules that override manual fills. If protected, unprotect the range or ask the owner for edit access, then reapply the desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.